Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Cadillac Escalade door handle. First, identify if the issue is with the exterior handle, the interior handle, or the latch mechanism itself. Often, the plastic components inside the door can become brittle and break over time, leading to a loose or non-functional handle. You'll need basic tools like screwdrivers and a trim removal tool, plus the correct replacement part for your specific model. Next, you'll need to carefully remove the interior door panel. Use a trim removal tool to pry off any covers, exposing bolts, typically 7 mm or 10 mm. Once the bolts are out, gently pry the panel away from the door, disconnecting any electrical connectors and cables. With the panel off, you can clearly inspect the handle mechanism and its connecting rods to pinpoint the exact point of failure. Now it's time for the repair or replacement. If the handle itself is broken, install the new one, ensuring any retaining tabs or screws are properly secured. Reconnect all rods and cables to the new handle and latch mechanism. Double-check that everything moves freely and operates smoothly. It's crucial to test the new handle's function several times before you put the door panel back on. Finally, reassemble the door. Carefully align the interior door panel with its clips and push it firmly into place. Reinstall all screws and covers you removed earlier. Once the panel is secure, test all door functions, including the interior and exterior handles, the power windows, and the door lock. Make sure everything operates as it should. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.